malaki rin.
Nawala tuloy.
Oh, bawas bote, bawas bote. I need one more.
Ayoko na kata.
Wala pa? Wala pa?
Wala ka overtime. Wala ka na overtime bukas. Tinagyan na nga ang sapatos.
Ikot, ikot.
Pabalyan ka ng isa eh.
Wala. Ikot.
Wala lagi.
Isa lang yung omo.
Yes, na.
Mahirap ang tao.
Babalik, babalik.
Wala pa.
Ang puso ko'y nahihirap.
No mo. Omo, no mo.
Omo, no mo.
Paano atin? Pero sigurado meron.
Ano pa? Napagod na po.
At paano may sasalin yun?
Pwede kang gawin lang.
Wala pa.
Sa lubong.
Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo.
Siya nga nakadali. Picture, picture, picture.
Dati to may mga palaro, may mga pa-prize pa kayo para sa mga lalaki na.
Yung nagsira sa picture. Balik ng battle.
Balik.
Wala pa. Galaw, galaw. Galaw, galaw, mga monkey. Wala pa.
Ay, wala pa.
Signs of aging. Ang hihina po ng mga pandemic natin. Kaya today. Ang hirap mag-alaga ng mga nanay.
Yeah, tumigil na.
Control. Tanggal. Oh, bawas isang bote, bawas isang bote. Game.
Ano?
Kailangan may sobre yan. Wala pa, layo-layo ng kamay. Ilayo yung mga kamay nyo sa bote. Walang undayan. Wala pa. Wala pa. Uy, ilayo nyo yung mga kamay nyo. Ilayo ang kamay. Wala pa. Layo ang kamay. Hindi tayo hitong hindi natin nilalayo pa. Paano nawala? Bawas bote. Bawas bote. Wala pa. Sayaw daw, sayaw. Taas ang kamay. Okay lang. May omo na kami. Okay, bawas isa.
Sabi ko makakapang water, pero makakamatay itong mga ko.
Go on sex bomb. Bawas isa. Taas ang kamay. Wala pa. Wala pa. Kailan pa, wala pa.
Ano lang? Okay. Game na ka? Ha?
Hi everyone, before the night officially ends, I wanted to take this moment to say thank you all for coming today and
Sayaw pa
celebrating my
yan.
18th with me. I'm incredibly grateful for everyone who showed up. You've all made tonight a very special moment in my life. First and foremost, I'd like to thank God for making everything possible. As program 45-6 states, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him and He will make your path straight. To my parents, kuya, and loved ones back home, thank you for the unconditional love you guys have shown me. Everything that I am today is because of your support and guidance all throughout my life. I love you guys and thank you for everything you've sacrificed for me.
I love you too.
To my friends and people closest to me, I'm so grateful to be surrounded by people that never fail to make me feel loved and cherished. You all have a special place in my heart, and I'm so lucky to have you guys by my side. To the momshies and everyone else who
Mamshi!
To the momshies and everyone else who helped prepare for tonight, thank you all for the hard work and efforts you put into making tonight run smoothly. You've all done such a great job with preparations, decorations, food, and everything else. And a special thank you to Ate CJ and Kuya Mark for not only
Yun!
being the MCs, but for organizing the program tonight and doing everything behind the scenes. Tonight wouldn't be possible without your efforts, so I thank you both for making tonight memorable. Once again, I'm incredibly grateful for everyone here right now, and you've all made my 18th something I'll never forget. I truly appreciate everyone and everything you put into tonight. I hope you all enjoyed the evening and have a great rest of your night. Thank you.
Thank you! Bye-bye. Love you, Mama Chup Chup.
May games pa daw.
Yung palaro last na.
May omo pa.
Thank you, Jerusalem.
Ay.
Omo.
Dapat hindi mo. Bilis naman natin, Lisa.
Okay, ang first winner na tayo. Ang first winner.
Ay, tuloy pa sumunod. Tuloy pa pala, tuloy pa.
Ayaw tumigil.
Happy birthday, Keisha. I wish you all the best, and I pray that God will continues to guide your dreams and
Oh, in English
surround
naman eh.
you with His love. And you always seek Him first in everything you do. We love you.
Woohoo! English yun, English.
Next, may we call us Tita Marvin. Tita Marvin.
Tissue.
No, Mon.
I did it.
Happy 18th birthday, Min. You are so pretty today and always. You are very blessed with family, friends, and everything. So, especially God's love. I wish and pray that God gave you the desire of your heart according to His purpose and always be a blessing to others. More birthdays to celebrate and good health palagi. God bless you. Finish na. I love you.
Tama ka naman ng English ko eh.
Ayos eh.
Ganda eh.
Next, may we call on Tita Carol.
Ganda daw yun. May kuti ko. Hindi ko na rin binanggit mo.
Kanig na sa video.
Paano ko naman ko tatapakan? Inang sa katita. Konta ba to?
Happiest birthday.
Ha? Are we complete?
Happiest birthday, Keisha. Yes. The lady of the hour. Lady of the hour.
Naku, hangin.
Turning 18 is a milestone. You're an adult officially. Yeah. You're an adult officially, but it doesn't mean that you don't listen to mom and dad. It's not a free pass. Adulthood means freedom and responsibilities, and it's around this stage of life that you'll probably tell yourself saying, tama pala si mommy and daddy. Those annoying bilin or mga bilin ng mommy and daddy will slowly become it makes sense. Kumbaga, kasi nga, mature na. This phase of life will bring challenges because adulthood is not a walking park. It will never be easy. But just remember to make good decisions. Try to make good decisions and always believe in yourself. Enjoy the journey, all the experiences and all the experiences and all the journey. Wala ako. And whenever you're in doubt, just pray and ask for guidance. Also, remember that whenever you need life advice, we have the ASC aunties to ask. And when adulthood feels tough and you're feeling down, again, your AAC auntie squad will always be there for you to cheer you on until you get through it. Most importantly, remember that you have your AAC auntie cheering squad led by your mother, Mommy Tom, as the head cheerleader. Will always be on the sidelines with our pom-poms on our hand. Yeah, cheering for you and celebrating all your wins in life, big or small. Again, happy birthday, Keisha. And stay gorgeous and shine bright.
Happy birthday.
Thank you for Tita Carol. Next, we call on Tita Rona.
Yo, naman.
Naka-live ka, kapatid.
Hindi, naka-video lang. Dapat pala yung naka-live ako, no?
Ay, bakit ito? Hindi ako nakalaw. Kamuro ko.
Ay, namatay. Doon. Kailan na pala? Hindi pa ko talaga mo.
Saan ka magkasalita dito?